Good morning. Let's start now our new lesson in chapter 5, lesson 4, which talking about division of decimals by a whole number. So, from the title in this lesson, we're gonna learn how can we divide decimals by whole number. Yesterday, we learned how to divide the decimals by 10, by 100, by powers of 10. Today now by a whole number, like 1.2 divided by 5. What do we have to do? All of you, please, I want you to open your book, page 309. And in this lesson, you're gonna learn how to divide the decimals by whole numbers. No, volume 1. Yeah. Now, let's start. First of all, if you have these numbers, page 309. See, now if you have like 8.5 divided by 5. This is a decimal divided by whole number. So what do you have to do? First of all, the procedure is share the ones or divide the ones. Where are the ones? Which is number 8. See now, girls, I want you please to focus with me, stay with me step by step. 8 divided by 5. How can I know? Who can tell me? See, 8 divided by 5. What is the closest number? That when you multiply it by 5, you get 8 or less than 8, 1. Bravo. So you write number 1. So number 1. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Then the second step, what do you have to do? 8 minus 5 is a 3. Yeah. Now, girls, please. Lisa, wait. Excuse me. Now, for this step, I want you, please, to mute your microphone. Focus with me. The first step, dividing the ones. Is it clear? Yes. The second step now. After I finished number 8, what did you see here? Decimal point. We have to put the decimal point up. Then, after I put it, you skip me, explain please. After I put the decimal point up, I will get the 5 down. Don't take the 5 after skipping the point, decimal point. You must take the decimal point up. Then put the 5 down. Then 35 divide by 5. Divide by it, which is what? 7. How I will know? See, remember that. What are the multiplication table of 5? 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, and 5 times 7. Yeah, so the 35, it is 5 times 7. So I will multiply 7 by 5 to get 35. Then I will subtract, then 0. So after I divide the ones, I will divide the tenths, and if I have hundredths, I will divide the hundredths. So 8.5 divided by 5 is 1.7. Yes, Okay, I will give you another example. Yeah, another example. Just a minute, please. 96.12 divided by 4. Okay, let's remember first what are the multiplication tables of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. And 10 times 4 is 40. Yeah. The first step, divide the tens. Number 9. Yalla. 9 divide by 4. How can I know? Let's go back to the multiplication table. Where is number 9? It's between 4 and 8 or between 8 and 12? 8 and 12. It's here. Now, what is the least? What is the number that is less than 9? 8. Okay, so I will go now to number 8. Yeah, number 8. What is the number that if you multiply it by 4, you get 8? She told me that's 2. So I will write up 2. Then 2 times 4 is? Sorry. Yalla, wait a minute. Is 8. Then what do you have to do next? You will subtract 1. Then what do you have to do next? What's the number next here? 6. I will put it down. Now, is there any decimal point between 9 and 6? No, so I will not put anything. Yalla, now 16. 16 is written. What is the number that I multiplied by 4? I get 16. It's 4. I will write up 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Now subtract 0. Then after 6, what do we have here? Decimal point. Now I will put it up. Then what do you have to do here? 1. Yeah, now let's divide number 1. 1 divided by 4. Nothing, 0. So what I have to add up? 0. Because this here we have 0 times 4 is 0. And 1 is between them. So you will take the 0, which is 0 times 4. So you add 0. Then 0 times 4 is 0. Okay. Subtract 1. Then what do you have to do next? Put the 2 down. Bravo. Yalla. Now 12 divided by 4. 3. Then 3 times 4 is 12. 0, 0. So 96.12 divided by 4. What is the quotient? 24.300. Is it clear now? Yes, this is the lesson. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Yalla. Let's now, all of you, please, I want you now to open your book, page 309, to solve the unlock the problem. In a swimming relay, each swimmer swims an equal part of the total distance. Brianna and 3 other swimmers won a relay in 5.68 minutes. What is the average time each relay team member swam? Now, every time, if you will see each relay, that's when you have to share. You have to share. That means you have to divide. If I asked you how many something or how many something or how much something each one get, that means remember that you have to divide. Yeah. So now you have to divide 5.68 by, they are 3 swimmers and Brianna. So how many swimmers are they? 4. ما هو احنا 3 and Brianna. Sorry, we said 3 and Brianna, so they are 4. Now then, 5.68 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Bravo. Now then, what do you have after 1? Up. أيوة. يلا put the decimal point. Now 6 down. Yes, bravo. 16 divided by 4. 4. Then 4 times 4, 16. Subtract them, 0. So here. Now then, what do you have to do next? Put the 8 down. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. And the remainder now is 0. So what is the average time each one swim? 1.42 minutes. Is it clear? Yeah, okay. Yeah, now this one here. Let's start now with Dina. لا, not Dina, sorry. Zen. Widyan. Yes, Widyan. 79.35 divided by 23. Yalla, the first one, 7 divided by 23. Can you divide small number into big? No, bravo. So what do you have to do next? No. You have number 9. 79. You want now to ask yourself, how many 23 and 79? What you will do, you will write here 1 times 23, 2 times 23, 3 times 23. To see now where is 79? Hey, 23, 46, and 4 times 3, 9, 4, 3 times 2, 6, and 4 times 23, 12, 9. Now, where is 79? Is it between 23 and 46, or between 46 and 69, or between 69 and 92? Audian? Bravo, between 69 and 92. Now, next. The second thing. What is the least, or the number that is less than 79? Is it 69 or 92? 69. Now, what is the number that when you multiply it by 23, you get 69? Huh? What's the number that you multiply it by 23, you get 69? 3. Bravo. So you will write 3 up to start. Thank you, Diane. The next one. Sarah. Sarah Asad. Yes, Sarah. Next, Salawudian said that the number that is to be have to be multiplied is a 3. Yalla, continue. 3 times 3. 310. Yalla, continue. 3 times 3. 9. And 3 times 2. 6. Bravo. Then subtract. Yalla. 9 minus 9. 0. And 7 minus 6. 1. Bravo. Then what do you have to do next? Bravo. You have to put the decimal point and then 3 down. Bravo. Thank you, Sarah. Now, Raghat. Raghat. Njud. Girls, you didn't answer me. That means you are not in the class. You are not attending the class. So don't ask me later on why I called your parents and didn't. And I asked, I told them that you didn't attend the class. Now, Nuralina. Nuralina. Yes, Nuralina. Yalla, now 103. You will ask yourself now, how many 23 and 103? Let's continue. Hello, we said before that 4 times 23 is 4 times 3, 12 is 92. And 5 times 23 is 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 2 is 115. So where is 103? Between 92 and أيوة, closer to what? Bravo. It's closer to 92. And which is 4 times 23. So Noor said that we have to put number 4 up. Which one? Why you choose number 4? Just like I did. Write the numbers that when you multiply them by 23, what did you get? In order to find what's the number. No, say write the multiplication table of 23. 1 times 23, 2 times 23, 3 times 23, 4 times 23, then 23, 46, 96, and 115. Okay, then ask yourself 79 between which two numbers? It's between 46 and 96. Is it right? Why? 79. 79 is between 23 and 46 or between 46 and 96? Bravo. Now, what is the closest number to 46 to 79? Or what is the number that is less than 79? 46. 46 is 23 multiplied by which number? Multiplied by 2. And so on. But here, And then, but here, I just a minute, please. Here it's 69, not, and here it's 96. So 79 is between these two numbers here. Hello, you say that 79, sorry, so 79, the less than it is 69. So 69, it's what? It's 3 times what? 23. Now let's go back here. Hi, this is 23. So what is the number that you multiply it by 23, you get 69? 3. You write 3 up. 4 is the same. Here you have number 5. You will see, you will see now, 5 times 23, it's 110. 115, sorry. Now where is 103? Exactly, that's it. Yeah, you will put the first number, the number that you multiply 23 by it. Yeah, welcome. So next now, she said that 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. Now after Nuralina, Noura Tamimi. Noura? Yes, what's your name? Here I wrote 90, up, I wrote 92, but here I wrote 96, yeah. But here I write correctly, 92. Noura, it's not here, is right? Yalla, Muna. Yes, Muna, continue. 3 minus 2. 1. And 10 minus 9. 1. Bravo. Then next. What do you have to do next? Put the 5 down. Yalla. Now 115 over 23. Bravo. Now what did Muna do? She said that 115, it is a 23 multiplied by 5. So up, what do you write here? You will write 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. Subtract them. 0, 0, 0. Oh. The what? Because when you multiply, you must write the product, then you must subtract them. Here, 115 divided by, just a minute, please. 115 divided by 23, you will get 5. Then this 5 multiplied by 23, you will get 115. Then you have to subtract them. Okay. Then after that, they ask you now to check. How do you check? What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. 3.45. Yalla. After Muna, Matab. Matab. Maryam Khaled. Yes, Maryam. Yalla, I want you now to multiply 3.45 times 23. Aywa. 15. Bravo. Then لا wait 3 times 4 12 plus 1 13 3 times 3 9 plus 1 10 bravo. Then 2 times 5 أيوة 10 أيوة. Then 2 times 4 plus 1 9 and 2 times 3 6. Yeah, let's add them together now. 5 3 9 bravo. Then next, after how many digits you have a decimal point? 2 digits. Bravo. So now, yeah, Mariam, is your answer, is your product like the dividend here? Yes. So that means our answer or our solution is correct. Do you have any question? Thank you. Are you still writing? No. Malak Anas? Yes, Malak. Yeah. 4.92 divided by 2. What do you have to do? Divide 4 by 2. Divide, not multiply. What's the number that you multiply it by 2? You get 4. 2. 2 times 2, 4. 0. Then what do you have next? No, after 4, what do you have? Something small. The decimal point, you put it up. Then what do you have to do next? Put what? The 9. Yeah. Now 9 divided by 2. So what is the number that is less than 9? 8, which is 2 times 2 times 4, which 4 times 2 is 8. Yes. So here you say 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Then what do you have to do next? 2 down. Bravo. And then 12 divided by 2. 6. Bravo. 6 times 2. 12. Then subtract. Then the remainder is 0. So here, what is the answer? 2.46. Thank you so much. Now, Lana. Yes, Lana. 50.16 divided by 38. Yeah. The first one, 50. How many 38 in 50? It's So how many 38 and 50? 1. Bravo. 1 times 38 is 38. Yalla, now let's subtract. This is 10 and this is 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. Thank you. Then, what do you have to do next? What is the small thing that you have it here after the 0? The decimal point. Bravo, you have to put it up. Then call number 1. Then 121 divided by 38. Yes. A1 times 38 is 38. 2 times 38, 76. 3 times 38, 24. 3 times 3, 9, 114. Now, and 4 times 38 is 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 3, 12, 152. Now, 121, between which two numbers? Between 114 and Bravo. So what is the least number, or what is the number that is less than 121? Less than 121, it's 114 from the orange numbers. Now 114, it is, what is the number, or what is the factor that when you multiply it by 38, you get 114? No, miss, it's a 3. 114, it is a 3 times 38. So you will write 3 up. Bravo. Then 3 times 8. 24. 3 times 3. 3 multiplied by 3. Plus 2. 11. Then this is 11. This is 1. Yalla. 11 minus 4. 7. 0, 0. Then what do you have to do next? Call the 6. Yeah. Now 76 divided by 38. Let's come back here. Where is 76? Bravo. So you have to write 2 up. 2 times 38 is 76. And the remainder is 0. So what's the final answer? 1 point. Bravo. Thank you, Lana. Lamia? Yes, Lamia. Yeah, here. 8.24 divided by 8. Yalla, 8 divided by 8. 1. Bravo. 1 times 8. 8. 0. Yalla, then what do you have to do next? What is the small thing after 8? Sorry? Subtract, added 0. Then what is the small thing after number 8 here? The decimal point. Yalla, put it up. Then what you have to do next? Call what? 2 first. 2 divided by 8. Is 0. 0 times 8. 0. Bravo. Then what you have to do next? And the remainder is 2. And the 4. Bravo. 24 divided by 8. 3. Thank you. 3 times 8 is 24. So what is the answer? Is $1.03. Thank you يا لميا yes. Hunada, I have tomorrow we'll continue because actually I didn't call half of them. حلا وحنين hunada حورية جيلان جمانة إسراء Dina. Tomorrow inshallah it will be your turn. Okay, I will stop here today. Do you have any question?